I want to talk to you about the best accounting software for owner operators. So if you're an owner operator, you want to really look at the list I'm going to share with you into this conversation. So number one, you have QuickBooks Self-Employed. And when you think about QuickBooks Self-Employed, we love the fact that here is a tool that is tailored specifically to you, the owner operator, because of the accounting software actually streamlines your financial tasks, providing you with user-friendly features that allows you, when you really think about it, to easily manage your income, expenses, and taxes. And I want to really talk about the fact, when we talk about taxes, for instance, we're speaking about taxes federally, but also state-wise, okay? So with QuickBooks Online, you can efficiently track your profits and expenditures. So you are able to keep your financial data organized and accessible. So this is really great. And this tool actually integrates seamlessly into your business operations. So you have a real-time insights into your financial health. So long story short, fantastic tool. And so in terms of pros and cons, you have a tool that simplifies income and expenses, streamlines tax preparation tasks, and offers you a user-friendly interface for efficiency. So by the way, QuickBooks is actually a pretty well-known name when it comes to accounting. That, you have a tool that automates mileage tracking for deductions. You're able to send payments reminders for invoices. You can sort transactions for clarity. You can actually have snapshots of financial health. You are able to easily categorize your expenses. Fantastic. And also the mobile app is wonderful. So number one, you have QuickBooks Self-Employed. Number two, you have FreshBooks. So when you think about the best accounting software for owner operators, FreshBooks is really a strong contender. So basically, you're able to simplify your accounting tasks seamlessly. You can efficiently manage your income, expenses, and invoicing. And FreshBooks actually allows you to organize your financial records. So you're able to actually have a comprehensive view of your financial management. You can have a reliable solution for owner operators like you. And so what are the pros and cons here? When you think about FreshBooks, I want you to think about a tool that enhances user-friendly financial management. You're able to simplify invoicing and expenses, and you can streamline time tracking. So that's really fantastic. What we love about FreshBooks also is that you have multi-currency support for global transactions, in addition to accurate bank reconciliations. So you're able to really have financial precision in your business. The third accounting software for owner operators I want you to really consider is Xero. So Xero is actually great because it offers a seamless bank reconciliation for accuracy and customizable invoicing for a professional touch. So within Xero, you have real-time financial dashboard capabilities. So you're able to gain insights in real time, okay? And also Xero's multi-currency support facilitates global transactions. And we also love the fact that the tool has a robust reporting tools. So long story short, when you think about Xero as an owner operator, I want you to think about a tool that provides real-time financial insights, that actually simplifies bank reconciliation, and also customized invoicing for professional presentation. So that's really cool. The only thing you might really need to think about is that there could be a learning curve if you are a beginner owner operator. Subscription costs may accumulate over time, and you also have a limited advanced features. So that kind of it's not really good. That aspect of things is not good for scalability. But we love the fact that Xero for owner operators is great because it allows you to automate expense tracking. It allows collaboration with multiple users. It enables online invoice payments for convenience. It really integrates with numerous third-party apps. So that's really cool in terms of scalability. It really facilitates easy inventory management. It provides secure data backup capabilities and really offers also a user-friendly mobile app. Next, you have Wave. So Wave is our fourth accounting software for owner operators. Wave is really good because you have a free accounting software at your fingertips. So as an owner operator, you can efficiently manage your income and expenses, and the intuitive dashboard provides you with a clear overview of your financial status. And what we love about Wave is that you can benefit from features like customizable invoicing, receipt scanning for easy expense tracking, and also insightful reporting. So you're able to make informed decisions in real time. So that's really fantastic. And one thing I want to say overall is that we love the fact that with Wave, you are able to scan receipts efficiently so you can track your expenses. You have a tool that integrates payment processing for convenience. And basically, the tool also stores receipts without limitations. And it really offers you a user-friendly mobile app. Even if it's free, you have a user-friendly mobile app that you can actually integrate into your operations. So that's really fantastic. The next best accounting software for owner operators is QuickBooks Online. Do not confuse the QuickBooks Self-Employed with QuickBooks Online. Okay, those are two different tools. So if you need a comprehensive cloud-based accounting solution as an owner operator, go for QuickBooks Online, and you can really manage income and expenses, customize invoices for a professional touch, and benefit from real-time financial insights. And that's really good. And we love the fact that, of course, this is a QuickBooks Intuit product. So that's really cool. You have, for instance, you have a robust reporting tools. You have a multi-user collaboration. You have integrations with various third-party applications. So if you are an owner-operator that needs variety and diversity in the tools he or she uses, you will love this aspect of things. Also, when you think about QuickBooks Online, I want you to think about a tool that automates recurring transactions, tracks mileage, integrates with numerous third-party apps, enables multi-user access, generates P&L reports, allows access to data securely, and this happens through any device. And you also are able to customize invoicing for professional presentation. You also have Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a great accounting software tool for owner operators. Why? Because Zoho Books actually offers a seamless accounting solutions. So if you are an owner operator, you're able to navigate Zoho's user-friendly interface. So you're able to manage income, expenses, and invoicing really simply. So within Zoho, you have features like automated bank feeds, project tracking. You also have customizable reports. So Zoho Books really helps you with the tools you need to maintain precise financial control. So this is kind of cool. We love that a lot. So you have customized reports, you have simplified invoicing, and you also have a robust project tracking features. Remember, Zoho Books is part of the Zoho ecosystem, which is a behemoth when it comes to project management overall. Now, there could be a learning curve problem for beginners. You also might have limited integrations compared to rivals, and certain functions may require additional app integrations. Sage Business Cloud Accounting is another accounting software tool for owner operators I want you to consider. So when you think about Sage Business Cloud Accounting, you have a comprehensive financial management solution. So as an owner operator, you can really use the tool to manage expenses simply and benefit from real-time financial insights, right? And this platform offers you a bank reconciliation, multi-user collaboration, and secure data storage. And don't forget that Sage Business Cloud Accounting actually is part of the Sage software behemoth. So you have a tool that's pretty solid, has a great reputation, and that really ensures accurate financial control. So that's really cool. So you have also a tool that enables multi-user collaboration and also allows you to customize invoicing. Now, there could be some customer support response time issues, and so you also might have a limited third-party app integrations. But good thing about Sage is that you have automated bank reconciliation for accuracy, multi-currency support for global transactions, real-time financial insights, efficient vendor payment management, and you also have a user-friendly mobile app navigation process. Next, you have also OneUp. So OneUp is a great accounting software for owner operators. And what we love about it, OneUp, is that you have a tool that allows you to automate recurring transactions and benefit from real-time financial insights, among others, of course. And the platform actually integrates with your banking. So you also have multi-currency support. So those are really good if you're an owner operator that needs to facilitate global transactions. You will love this aspect of things that OneUp is bringing to the table. So you can automate bill payments, scheduling, You can track project profitability. You have a tool that secures data with bank level encryption, facilitates easy inventory management, generates customizable financial reports. You are able to use the tool to collaborate with your accountant securely. And you also have a tool that allows access from any device anytime. So that scalability, that flexibility is really good. Now, there could be a learning curve for beginners, and there are also limited advanced features in some cases. So something to really think about. Next, you have Free Agent. So Free Agent is a great accounting software for owner operators. So Free Agent actually great if you need access to intuitive accounting solutions. You're able to customize professional invoices. You can manage expenses effortlessly, and you can benefit from real-time financial insights. Okay, and we also love the fact that Free Agent actually allows you to automate your bank reconciliation and secure data storage processes seamlessly. So you have a tool that facilitates self-assessment, tax return preparation, so you can actually prepare your 1040, your 1065, your 1120S, or your 1120. You have a tool that provides a visual tax timeline for any organization, whether you're a small business, whether you're a micro business, you're a large business, or you're a mid-sized enterprise. You're able to track project profitability. You have a mobile app, and you're also able to simplify your business mileage tracking pretty seamlessly. So that's just fantastic. The last accounting software for owner operators I want you to consider is Cashew. So when you think about Cashew, think about features like project management, income, expenses, financial reporting. You are able to have a cloud-based platform that really enhances accessibility. So in the end, this whole process makes financial control efficient and reliable. So if you're an owner operator, that's something you will love. You have Cashew actually provides multi-currency transaction support. They allow invoice customization for branding. They also offer you a mobile app for convenient access. So what we love about Cashew is that you are able to have a tool that utilizes customizable expense categories. You're able to have mileage tracking. By the way, you can track sales tax easily. It doesn't matter whether you're selling nationally or internationally, you can track sales tax easily. You have a tool that integrates pretty well with third-party apps, especially various payment gateways. And you have a tool also that stores the data securely with encryption measures. So long story short, you have a solid player here. So Cashew is a really good. I mean, we love him personally. That's just fantastic. Let me give you some general considerations here. So when we think about the best accounting software for owner operators, it's really important to understand that you want to really have access to solid tools that can help you scale. Okay, so when I'm talking about QuickBooks, FreshBooks Zero, you want to really look at the scalability aspect of those tools, because when you have 5 clients, okay, you can do certain things manually. But if you go to a 5,000 clients or 50 or even 500 clients, then the prospects of manually doing things can be a little discouraging. Okay, now how do you choose the best accounting software as an owner operator? Well, you want to identify your business's specific accounting needs. You want to explore available accounting software options. You want to consider scalability for future business growth. You want to evaluate user-friendly interfaces, because the thing is that you want to make sure that you are easily navigating the accounting software that you are going to buy or you are going to subscribe to. You want to compare and contrast pricing plans and subscription costs. You want to look out for hidden fees, because some software providers, they like to play games and trying to really play some shenanigans with you. So make sure that you really read the terms and conditions pretty thoroughly. You want to review customer ratings and testimonials. You want to watch shows like this. You want to choose the software that really aligns with your requirements. Okay. So what are the pros and cons of the best accounting software for owner operators? Let's have a conversation about that. First, the pros. The tool actually simplifies invoicing for efficient transactions. You're able to automate expense tracking, so that's really good in terms of accuracy, because the last thing you want is to send inaccurate invoicing or receive inaccurate bills from vendors. You want to have a tool that provides real-time financial insights seamlessly. The tool also enhances collaboration with your accountant, whether he or she is a CPA or just a regular accountant. You also want to avail yourself of the best accounting software for owner operators, so you can customize reports for tailored analysis. So what about the cons here? When we talk about this software, what kind of detriments should you be thinking about? Well, you have learning curve for beginners potentially. Subscription costs may be high in certain instances. You have advanced features that may require higher plans. You have limited integrations, and you have a variable customer response time. Let me close to this conversation by giving you some words of caution. Okay, beware. So what should you be watching out for? Well, before you choose an accounting software tool as an owner operator, you want to watch out for complicated interfaces leading to confusion, hidden fees affecting overall affordability. That's an important element to think about. Inadequate customer support for assistance, especially if you're a beginner and you want to have a certain guidance and the company is not there for that for you. That's a problem. Limited features that hinder your comprehensive management. Compatibility issues with your other business tools, especially when we talk about your existing tech stack. Insufficient scalability for future expansion. And you also think about outdated software lacking necessary updates. That's an important element. Let me give you a few pro tips before we close to this conversation. It's important to understand that when we talk about the best accounting software for owner operators, you have to consider future scalability for growth. You got to compare pricing plans for affordability. You want to evaluate integration capabilities with your other tools. You want to verify customer support responsiveness. You want to ensure secure data encryption measures, because that's going to help you actually add an extra layer of clarity down the road. And you also want to understand any hidden fees involved. So that's what I was talking a little earlier when I talk about affordability or pricing in general. You want to really make sure that the terms and conditions are clear. So here's a recap here. As you saw, there are various accounting software options available to you as an owner operator. So the question is that before you choose a tool, make sure the tool actually fits your existing tech stack and operational ecosystem. So ensure that you evaluate alignments with your specific needs. You got to also evaluate user-friendly interfaces. You want to consider pricing plans, and you want to watch shows like this that talk about the best accounting software for owner operators. You also want to read user reviews so that you are able in the end to make an informed decision, knowing what works and what doesn't work, what could potentially work or potentially not work for your business. So here is a bottom line here. In today's conversation, I spoke to you about the best accounting software for owner operators. And so as I gave you the list, and then I gave you the general consideration, and then the word of caution. So the list, you have number 1, QuickBooks Self-Employed. Number 2, FreshBooks. Number 3, Xero. Number 4, Wave. Number 5, QuickBooks Online. Number 6, Zoho Books. Number 7, Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Number 8, OneUp. Number 9, Free Agent. And number 10, Cashew. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.